Installing a residential rural mailbox is a simple task that adds great curb appeal and is an essential part of your home's identity. Follow these simple steps to install your mailbox at home. Here's what you'll need. The United States Postal Service requires your mailbox to be no taller than 45 inches above street level and 6 to 8 inches away from the curb. Once the hole is dug, use support beams to prop up the post. Remember to use a level to ensure the post is straight. Once the post is in place, pour the concrete and allow it to sit. Double-check the level to make sure the post is straight. Adjust the post if needed before the concrete begins to dry. Installation instructions can be found on our website at mailboxes.com or by clicking the link in the description. Good luck, and please reach out to our customer service team if you have any questions.